Do it again.
He's got a stress person.
What are you eating?
This?
What is that?
Junior.
What is that?
I don't know.
Do it again, Junior.
I can't hear you.
Louder.
Okay, that's enough. What is that thing? Junior, what are you eating?
Cake.
It looks like a taco.
It's good.
Looks like a hot dog.
It tastes like a taco.
Hot dog cake? You don't want any? You don't want any?
No!
Hey, look at that. You got booger.
I don't.
Yes, you do. You gotta go clean it up. Clean up first. So I'll take a picture again. Don't hit me.
No.
Go clean up your booger.
I don't even have booger!
Let me see.
No.
You don't? What's
No.
What's that thing on your nose then?
Nothing.
A pinto.
Yeah, for you it's a pinto.
I don't want a pinto. Pintos are the ugliest cars I've ever seen in my whole life.
Carrot, give Junior, give Carrot some.
No.
You cannot eat it all by yourself. You have to share with your sister.
Don't take that thing away from him.
Hey, stop it. It's dirty now.
Let's do this.
Junior eats everything, see? Junior, give your sister some.
I'm not hungry.
Why are you sitting over there acting like you're hungry?
I'm not hungry. I'm eating.
Look, he's moving away.
So, not like I care.
I'm gonna buy a lot for Carrie, not for Junior because he don't share. Right, Carrie? He don't share. There you go.
No, I don't want it.
He loves his sister.
I don't want
Eat a little bit, because your brother gave you some. Eat a little bit. He gave you some.
I already ate some.
Just ate some a little
I
bit.
don't like it.
Go ahead.
I don't like it.
I don't care. Just eat it.
I don't like it.
A little bit.
No.
Come on.
No.
I want to send this movie to your boyfriend.
I don't even have one, so you don't even know.
No. What do you mean?
How are you gonna know?
I got his number.
What's his number then?
8675309.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah.
I got it.